Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss a question based on probability, and we are in the sixth question. So two events are given, A and B, and the probability of the particular events is given 0.3 and 0.8. In this case, if A and B are independent, what is P of A intersection B? It's quite very direct. If for independent even, P of A intersection B, it's going to be P of A times P of B. That's simple. And both the values are available here. We can just directly multiply them. 0.3 times 0.8, which is going to be 0.24. That's simple first part. And next, determine the minimum possible value of P of A intersection B. Okay, so two events are there, and we know this connection. P of A intersection B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. So if P of A intersection has to be minimum, right? That's the minimum possible we need to check. Then this part have to be maximum. Because if you subtract a maximum amount from this will become a minimum. So that's the logic. And okay, now what? Now we got it. So this is the thing. P of A intersection B is at minimum when P of A union B is at maximum. Right? So now the question is, okay, what is the maximum of P of A union B? Maximum of P of A union B, it's quite simple. It can be at most 1, not more than that. So 1, and we can just substitute. So minimum of P of A intersection B we want. So I know these values cannot be changed. 0.3 plus 0.8, which is given, minus maximum of probability of A union B, which is 1. So this is going to be 0.3 plus 0.8 minus 1. 1.1 minus 1 is 0.1. So minimum of possible value of this is going to be 0.1. Okay, so that's simple. Next one, maximum possible value of P of A intersection B. So when P of A intersection B will be maximum, when A union B is minimum, right? But we don't know what is the minimum here. But that is a different thing. Maximum possible value of P of A intersection B is the lower one of P of A or P of B. That probability it will take the lowest one. So maximum of P of A intersection B is a lower of either P of A or P of B. That's the case. And we can find, it's easy, right? P of A or P of B, both are provided 0.3 and 0.8. In this case, we will take this particular and maximum value of P of A intersection B equals 0.3. So that's simple. And yeah, very simple concepts over here. Thank you for listening. Let's meet in next video.